Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something real tonight. Every woman wants to be chased, adored, and valued, not just for a moment, but for a lifetime. But the secret isn't in how much you give, it's in what you don't give too soon. There's one boundary, one line in the sand that makes a man sit up, pay attention, and chase you like you're the only woman on this planet. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get real about something most women don't fully understand. A man doesn't value what comes to him on a silver platter. It doesn't matter how much you smile at him, how much attention you give him, or how quickly you open your heart. If it's too easy, he stops chasing. Men are wired to pursue. It's in their DNA. They are hunters, and hunters only respect the prize that requires effort. That's why so many women feel frustrated, wondering why the right guy isn't sticking around, why the man they like seems distant, or why men lose interest so quickly. The answer is simple: because he hasn't earned you. Think about it. When a man has to work for a woman's trust, her affection, her love, that work becomes part of the connection. Every text you don't immediately respond to, every date that requires a little planning, every moment he has to prove himself, that builds value in his eyes. It's like climbing a mountain. If he just wakes up at the top, he doesn't respect the view. But if he climbs, struggles, and pushes himself to reach it, he cherishes it forever. That's exactly how men view women. Give him everything without a challenge, and it loses meaning. Make him earn it, and he respects it, treasures it, and chases you like a man in love should. Ladies, don't confuse this with playing games or being manipulative. It's not about creating distance to make him want you. It's about having standards and knowing your value. A man who truly wants you will understand your boundaries, respect your pace, and rise to the occasion. The man who complains, whines, or loses interest, he wasn't meant to be in your life anyway. Every woman has experienced it, a man who gives up too easily or acts uninterested. It's painful, but it's also a blessing in disguise. It reveals who truly has the heart to pursue you and who's just there for convenience. You see, effort is what separates boys from men. Boys want what's easy, and they leave when the first challenge comes. Men respect a woman who isn't just handed to them, who makes them show up every day, who requires attention, effort, and commitment. And here's the beauty: once a man earns a woman, he doesn't just chase her, he guards her, he loves her, he shows up every single day because he knows the value of what he has, and that respect, that deep, unwavering respect, it doesn't fade, it only grows stronger. So if you want to be chased, adored, and respected for a lifetime, remember this: don't make it easy. Let him earn you, let him climb, let him prove that he's worth the prize. Because men don't respect what they don't earn, and ladies, respect is everything. A lot of women think that if they set a boundary, a man will run. They believe that saying no to certain things, standing firm on their standards, or asking for respect will scare him off. But that's a mistake. Boundaries don't push men away. They attract the right ones, because a man who truly wants you isn't intimidated by limits, he's inspired by them. When you set a boundary, you're saying, I know who I am, I know my value, and I won't settle for less than I deserve. That's powerful. That's magnetic, and it changes the way a man sees you completely. Think about it like this. If everything is given to him easily, a man may never understand what it took to be with you. But when you have boundaries, when you're clear about what you will and will not accept, it challenges him. It makes him rise to the occasion. A man who respects himself and values a real relationship will see your boundary not as a wall, but as a sign that you are serious, that you are not someone to take for granted, and that your love is precious. And once he understands that, he'll put in the effort, he'll work harder, and he'll never stop chasing. Boundaries are not punishment. They're clarity. They're a reflection of self-respect. When a woman sets a standard, she's teaching a man how to treat her, and a man who's worth keeping will learn that lesson. He'll step up, show his best side, and commit to proving that he's capable of meeting those standards. The man who doesn't respect your boundary, he wasn't ready for you anyway, and he wasn't the one worth your time. This is where so many women get it wrong. They think being flexible, being too available, being easygoing will make a man love them more, but it doesn't. It often makes him take them for granted. Boundaries create value. They create a sense of respect and admiration that goes beyond surface attraction. They tell a man, I am worth your time, your effort, and your best self. And when a man realizes that, he doesn't just chase you. He becomes loyal, intentional, and committed. A boundary is like a gate. You're not keeping a man out. You're letting him prove that he belongs inside. The right man won't just walk past that gate. He'll knock, he'll show up, and he'll work to earn the privilege of being with you. And when he finally does, he appreciates it like nothing else because he knows it wasn't just handed to him. The truth is simple. A woman without boundaries is ordinary. A woman with boundaries is unforgettable. The right man sees that boundary, respects it, and suddenly chasing you becomes the most important thing in his life. Too many women believe that the only way to attract a man is through beauty, charm, or flirting. They think if they look good enough, act cute enough, or give enough attention, a man will fall in love and never leave. That's a lie. True power doesn't come from how you look on the outside. It comes from the standards you hold on the inside. A woman who knows her worth, who refuses to settle for less than she deserves, instantly commands respect and admiration. Men notice it. Men chase it. Men never forget it. You can be the most beautiful woman in the room, but if you have no standards, if you let anyone treat you any way they want, men will see you as someone they can take for granted. Looks can get attention, but standards keep it. Standards are the invisible force that tells a man, I know who I am. I am not here to entertain you or fix your problems. I am not someone you can play with. That's power. That's what makes a man work for you, fight for you, and ultimately fall in love with you on a deeper level. Charm can get a man interested for a little while, but it won't make him stay. A woman who is charming but has no boundaries is like sugar water, sweet for a moment, but gone quickly. Standards, however, are the foundation of lasting attraction. When a man meets a woman who refuses to settle for anything less than what she deserves, he sees her differently. He sees her as rare, as valuable, as someone worth pursuing no matter what it takes. That's the difference between someone who just dates a lot of men and someone who makes a man chase forever. High standards are not about being difficult or unkind. They are about knowing your worth and not compromising it. It's about saying no to men who are not ready, not capable, or not serious. It's about expecting respect, honesty, and effort, and refusing anything less. And here's the secret: the moment you hold to your standards, the right man doesn't run. He rises. He becomes the man capable of matching your energy, your values, and your heart. That's the type of man every woman should want, because he won't just chase you. He'll stay, and he'll give everything to prove he's worthy. So stop thinking power comes from beauty, charm, or personality alone. Those are temporary, but standards last. Standards make men see you in a completely different light. They make him respect you. They make him earn your love. They make him never take you for granted. And once a man recognizes that he won't just want you, he'll chase you forever. That is the real secret every woman needs to understand if she wants a man who is serious, loyal, and completely devoted. So many women make the mistake of thinking that if they set a boundary, a man will get scared and walk away. They think, if I tell him no, he'll leave. That's not how it works. The right man isn't intimidated by your boundaries. He's inspired by them. A man who is serious, a man who respects himself, sees a boundary as a challenge in the best possible way. He sees it as an opportunity to rise up, show his commitment, and prove that he's capable of loving a woman on her level. Boundaries don't push the right man away. They separate the boys from the men. Think about it. If a woman has no boundaries, it's like leaving the front door wide open and expecting only good people to come in. Men don't respect what they can have without effort. They don't value what comes too easily. But when a woman has boundaries, when she clearly shows what is acceptable and what isn't, she signals that she values herself. That's attractive. That's magnetic. The right man sees that boundary and thinks, I want to rise to that standard. I want to show her she can trust me. I want to be the man she deserves. Boundaries are not about being mean or creating distance to manipulate a man. They're about clarity, self-respect, and communication. When you set a boundary, you're teaching a man how to love you properly. You're saying, this is what I accept. This is how I expect to be treated. Step up or step aside, and the man who's meant to be in your life doesn't get scared. He gets inspired. He sees the value in you, and he wants to match it. He wants to rise to the level of your expectations because he knows that's the only way to be with a woman as rare as you. Every man will test boundaries. That's natural. But the right man will push himself, not push you. He will work within your limits and respect them because he understands that earning your trust and love is worth every effort. A man who runs from your boundary isn't running from you. He's running from responsibility, commitment, and growth. That's not the man you want anyway. The man who stays, who respects, who pursues, he's the one who will chase you forever. Here's the truth: boundaries aren't walls. They're invitations. They invite a man to show his character, prove his intentions, and rise to the level of your value. The right man sees a boundary as a roadmap to winning your heart. He's not frustrated by it. He's motivated by it. He knows that a woman who respects herself is worth every ounce of effort. And that effort becomes the foundation of a lasting relationship, one where he chases you, cherishes you, and never takes you for granted. Boundaries inspire respect, inspire commitment, and inspire true love. The right man isn't scared of them. He's captivated by them. One of the biggest mistakes a woman can make is thinking every man who shows interest is serious. Not every man who compliments you, asks you out, or calls you every now and then is ready to commit. There's a difference between boys who play games and men who are ready to build, and boundaries are what separate the two. When you set a line, when you clearly communicate your expectations and limits, the boys fall off immediately. They can't handle it. They aren't willing to invest. They aren't ready to prove themselves. The right man, though, he doesn't flinch. He steps up. He rises to the challenge. Boundaries are like a filter. They show you who is serious and who is just wasting your time. Men who are not ready to be responsible or committed will whine, complain, or try to manipulate you into lowering your standards. They will push, pull, and test your patience. But that's exactly what boundaries are for. They keep those men from crossing into your life while letting the men with genuine intentions shine through. When a woman respects herself enough to have clear standards, she automatically attracts men who have the character, maturity, and dedication to match her energy. Think about it, boys chase what's easy, but men chase what challenges them. Boys are impatient. They want instant gratification. Men are strategic. They understand the value of effort, and they know that the reward is greater when it's earned. Boundaries are the ultimate test of patience and perseverance. They reveal whether a man is willing to work, to grow, and to show up consistently, or if he's just there for convenience. A woman who sets her limits is sending a clear message. If you're not serious, don't waste my time. If you are, welcome. Prove it. And men respond to that clarity. The boys leave and the men stay. This is why boundaries are so powerful. They protect your heart, your time, and your energy. They give you control over the type of man you allow into your life. And most importantly, they create respect. A man who respects your limits respects you as a whole person, not just as someone to play with or admire from a distance. He sees your worth, and he understands that building something meaningful takes effort, commitment, and patience. That's the kind of man every woman should want, because he doesn't just flirt or talk a good game. He builds, he invests, and he proves he's worthy of your love. Boys come and go, men stay. Boundaries